Hey everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla. Today you are going to knowing and learning where is your focus. If you are very much interested to start your career in coding, so many people are having many doubts in their mind. Will I learn coding? Will it come to me if I start learning, am I become a software engineer or become a software developer in specific programming language? Will it suits to me? So many doubts in so many people are having and they are struggling themselves. I simply say that don't be start with become a doubt. To be focused, which area you are so much interested and how to start your career to grow more. And I would suggest you a simple way. Are you surely want to control yourself or you want to control by some other one's decisions? Where you want to become a success hero? Yes, all you need to take a focus, great focus on what you are choosing and learning any programming language or any concept for your great career. Then start. Yes, you can control yourself without any doubt. All you need to focus more and more to crack your challenges. These all are in your hand only. Want to try? Yes, take a step and start learning today to make a first step for your success career. Want you? Try today.